Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're out here at the Verna Ranch on Talley Road in Potranco. We're located at this Perry model home. We're gonna check it out. And this sheet of paper, guys, I got listings, I got discounts of over $50,000 on beautiful model homes like this one, guys. This is the plan, the 232W plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Come with me, let's go check it out. All right, first we have our community veranda. And this is our Perry 2332 floor plan by a great builder, custom builder. Again, over $50,000 in discount on this one. And this one's a bottle plan, dude. Check out this floor plan. You got a buzzer when you walk in. And this is, you have high ceilings, 20-foot ceilings. You have your living room and an office. It's a beautiful setup of this office. And then downstairs you have your master bedrooms, and your other 2 bedrooms are upstairs. It's up that way. We'll go right now. All right, guys. Again, custom home. Custom builder, Perry Homes, quality. We have 42-inch cabinets, granite, gas, stove, big pantries, built-in ovens, dishwasher, guys. Everything's included. They're offering 3.9 interest rate on homes like these, guys. They help you with your closing costs, VAs, all the things, guys. It's amazing. Let's go in here to the beautiful master bedroom. Check it out. Yeah, that's a king size bed, guys, and there's still plenty of room. I'm gonna go this way, show you the king size bed, show you the room. Check out the shower with a beautiful finish on the floor. Granite. We got his and hers tub and sink, guys. Show that walk-in closet. So we got amazing bathroom for his and hers, guys, downstairs. And upstairs we have a game area, and we have the other 2 rooms, guys. Let's go check them out. All right, let's count this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, boom, beautiful area. We got right up to our game room. And then we walk down, we have room number 2. Right, we have our master downstairs. We have room number 2, plenty of room. And then we have a restroom that they share. And room number 3. Their game area. Got me in room number 2, and this is how it looks from the top. Again, guys, Perry Homes, quality. Perry equals quality, guys, here in San Antonio and anywhere in the world, guys. Let's go ahead and go outside and see how that looks. All right, got a covered patio. Concrete finish. And even though we're very close to a busy road, guys, listen to how quiet it is out here. So there you have it, guys. We walked the Perry home, the floor plan 232. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. If you're planning to move to San Antonio in the next 30 to 90 days, let me help you. With paper like this, I can save you over $50,000 on your home, guys. Don't do it alone. Do it with somebody who knows what they're doing, guys. See you on the next one.